Module 4, Lesson 6's objective is to draw rows and columns to determine the area of a rectangle given an incomplete array. Item 1. Each square represents a 1 centimeter square. Draw to find the number of rows and columns in each array. Match it to its completed array. Then fill in the blanks to make a true equation to find each array's area. Look at item A. As you can see, there are some lines that are not completely drawn, so I will go ahead and try to extend them now. As you can see, I'm choosing to draw the horizontal lines first. Now, I'll go ahead and do the vertical lines. Trying to get it right on the line sometimes is not very easy when you're doing it digitally. Alright, now I think I'll go ahead and count the number of rows that I have so I can label my drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 columns. So this is 6 by 6. Now, is there another one on the right side that looks like it might be 6 by 6? I think I see one down toward the bottom. Let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, there are 6 columns there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 6 rows. So this one here is 6 by 6. So they match. I will go ahead and draw my line now. Notice that I did not draw a squiggly line or a loopy line because it's easier for my teacher to be able to read if my line is as close to straight as possible. Now I need to write the multiplication problem. 6 rows times 6 columns. What does that equal? Let me go ahead and skip count to find out. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So 6 times 6 equals 36. That's the area, 36 square centimeters. Now let me do item B. I'll go ahead and finish the lines that are not done. Oops. That's pretty close. Now let me go ahead and label. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 3 by 8. Or 3 groups of 8. I'm looking for another one that has 3 in it. I see one. I see a couple that have 3 rows. Let's see if I can find one that has 3 rows and 8 columns. Let's look at this bottom one. That looks like it might. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one does. It is 3 rows times 8 columns. Now let's go ahead and skip count to find out what that answer is. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. I put some numbers down a little lower because they were running into each other. So 3 groups of 8 is 24. I'll go ahead and draw a really neat line so my teacher can easily see where it goes. Alright, now you know how to do this page. You go ahead and finish it up to the best of your ability, and remember, be careful. Some of the shapes look very similar in size. So go ahead and count each row and count each column. Don't just automatically draw the line. Be really careful. Check your work. Count the rows, count the columns, and then skip count so that your answers are just perfect.